All right, hi everyone. So my name is Mariana from PyLadies Vancouver. I'm here today to demo how we plan to update our Twitter avatar, the PyLadies Twitter avatar daily using Zapier. And joining me today, I have Marie-Louise and Bethany just to check out what I'm doing. So Marie-Louise, do you want to introduce
Hello.
yourself?
Hi. Yeah, sure. Thanks, Marietta. I'm Marie-Louise, and I am the PyLadies communications team co-lead. Bethany, would you like to go ahead?
Sure, I'm Bethany. I'm from PyLadies Oakland, and I am also on the communications team for PyLadies Global.
All right, thank you both for joining. So I'll just start by sharing my screen. Okay, one sec. Okay. Screen number 1. All right, hope you all see my screen there. So what we're trying to do is every day, we wanna rotate through each of these logo and then update our Twitter avatar with one of these logo. And in fact, we have an issue tracked here on GitHub in project PyLadies project communications, issue 63. So let's update our Twitter avatar daily. And we can actually do this in Zapier. So what we did to prepare, we have exported the spreadsheet that I showed earlier as a CSV file that is publicly available here. So basically we can access this by going, like if you click on the raw button there, you get this as a CSV. So now we can go to Zapier. Here. All right, I'm logged in as PyLadies info account. We have our own, PyLadies have our own Zapier account. And I'm going to start by, I'll go again from the beginning. When I'm logged into Zapier, I click make a Zap and choose schedule by Zapier. And we'll do this every day. Do we want this to trigger on weekends? Yes, right, every day. Yeah, okay. We'll do it at midnight. Is that okay? All right. And Marie-Louise and Bethany, if you have any questions about this at any time, just interrupt me, feel free.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, so I tested it and got some data. The next is, because I want now to read this CSV file, I'm gonna use code by Zapier. We're going to be writing some Python code. Run Python. It runs Python 3.7. And all right, and then we get to write some code here. So I need to use the request library to fetch the data, the CSV, and I will need the CSV module. So in code by Zapier, you have access to the request library only and the Python standard library. So as you will get app strings if that's what you like, which is something I like too. So, okay, I'm gonna get the URL here. Oops, wrong one. Request.get that URL, and I know this will work because this data exists. I mean, now, what's the next things I want to do? Once I get the data, I'm gonna loop through each one of them. So I need to read the CSV file. I think it's the string IO module. I need to look up the code example. String IO, Python 3, CSV. Okay, this is what I need. I'm just going to copy paste. Okay, so it is, what's the import? From IO import string IO, capital O, the CSV data equals CSV reader string IO and data.text. For row in CSV data, let's try, let's see, result is make a string list comprehension row for row in CSV data, right? And I'm just going to output the result. Just debugging a little bit here. Test and review. Okay. All right. So it fetched the like this is the output. This is the result that I added to the output. It fetched the CSV, and we have now like a list with all this data. So it was successful. So now what we want to do is pick one of this every day, and just I think we just want to return the URL. So I will edit my Python code here. Let's do import random. Avatar choice is result choice. No, random choice. And choose one from result, anything. And I would say avatar choice is avatar choice and index number 2, but because that's where the URL is. Now let's run that again. Test and review. Okay, so now the output gives us PyLadies Chennai, and if I rerun this, it will randomly pick another one, and now we got Silicon Valley. So now we know this step is working. Now we got a URL. I am going to add another step here that is Twitter, and choose the update profile image. And I will choose the PyLadies Twitter account. And for the image, we will use the output from the run Python code. So run Python, and if I click show off options, we got the avatar choice URL here, and continue. So if I run test and review right now, this will actually update PyLadies Twitter avatar right away. So I'm going to go there and see /PyLadies. So this is the previous avatar. And if I do test and review, it says it was sent to Twitter. It was successful. So if I refresh, now the avatar is changed to the Silicon Valley chapter. So that's that. Do we also want to post tweet saying we updated the avatar, or that's it?
Yeah, no, I think that would definitely be great. What do you think,
Yeah.
Bethany?
Yeah, I was going to say that would be cool if we could do a little thing that says, you know, what the chapter is, right?
Okay, let's see. So we can add another step here. We say Twitter again. Create a tweet. I'm not sure if we can use, let's see what happens. I've never tried embedding a picture in Zapier. Oh, we can add a picture. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so what should it say? Today's avatar. Today we feature. Okay.
Today we feature, and then can you pull the chapter name from the CSV here, or do? Okay,
yes,
cool.
so I'll go back to the code step, and in addition to avatar choice, because we're returning a dictionary here, right? I can add another key saying chapter info, and I'm going to combine with f strings. So the first one is the country and the chapter. So avatar with choice 1. So the chapter first, and avatar choice 0. Does that look right? Or wait, like that? Or what am I missing? There's an extra. Okay, let's try this. Well, I guess, yeah, let's do that. Retest. Oh, I wrote a code. I wrote a wrong code. Is this the F string? What am I missing? Okay, closing bracket.
Yep.
Okay, so we now have a Brazil. Then it's done. Let's redo this. Since we changed the URL, we gotta redo it, I think. Let's see. Okay, we got it. Now we're going to say, today we feature PyLadies from Run Python, chapter info, just like that, in our avatar, or tell me a good copy.
Today we feature PyLadies, Manaus, Brazil, in our avatar.
I think we have the hashtag, like new profile pic.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Maybe instead of in our avatar, as our avatar. New profile pic. Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, it's an actual. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so what should this actually say? Does this look right?
Yeah, a change into as.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, I think that's great. What do you think, Marie?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, should we shorten URLs? Yes or no? We don't have URL.
We don't, but that's something great we should add to the spreadsheet. And so if we did have that, then that's where we'd put it is in the URL shortener.
Yeah, we could point to the PyLadies chapter website or meetup or whatever, right?
Yeah, that would be great.
Then I'll keep this as no because we don't have URL right now, but
Okay.
we can go back later and once we have it, and I can edit this. And let's do that. Test and review. It was successful. Let's go back to PyLadies. That's the post.
That
That's
looks great.
That's
Wow.
all.
That is really nice. Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop screen sharing now unless we have anything else.
That's fine.
All right, so that's done. Any questions about this?
That is so easy.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yes. Yeah. By the way, I should mention I work at Zapier, so for transparency. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah.
No, that's
all
great.
right.
I guess I have a couple of questions. The first one is, I noticed with Silicon Valley that, of course, the avatar picture was cut off a bit, and that's because where we're pulling them from, we have different sizes. And so a process point for us is that we should probably have these all in one place and all of the same size, correct? To match the Twitter requirements for
Yeah.
avatar pictures. Okay. What else? Oh, and the chapter, so the chapter URLs, we should just, if we're going to do that, we should add a fourth column there. And then that will, of course, be pulled in the Python code that extracts those.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Basically, just keep updating the CSV file in the PyLadies repo, and it will just fetch the same file every day. So if it gets updated, it will get chosen the next day or randomly chosen. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I have a question
Yeah.
regarding other sort of automation projects. As you know, we're sort of looking at automating some things on Slack, and I want to know, moving forward, because you've presented such a great explanation of how to do it, what would be the starting point in terms of trying to put together another script, for example, for our communications channel, but then also there are so many other things that we can use it for. How should we get started? Do we need to have the PyLadies, access to Zapier via PyLadies, or can we just get our own Zapier account and then practice and get it to work, figure out, what the, how it just sort of functions, and then...
So yes, you can definitely get Zapier account, although it's not free. We do have a 14-day free trial. Yeah, I don't know. Let me check the pricing. There is pricing page which you can find out. But let me quickly share. But if you have an idea of an automation you want to do, you can just at least just check if there is such a thing. For example, I can show like Zapier Twitter, for example. You want to do something with Twitter or with Slack. Let's do that. Zapier Slack. You will see the integrations page, Slack, Zapier. And then here, if you scroll down to the, like where it says the triggers, actions, searches, these are all the things that are supported by Zapier. Okay. So you can get an idea at least like what is possible or what's not possible. Like we can, so from here we know that, okay, we can trigger it by if somebody posted a new message. And you know that you can write a direct message automatically. You can create a channel. So those things are possible. We can update a profile. And for example, I think we also talk about updating the Instagram profile. We can see if that's available. if that action is available, if there is such a thing. So we click on Instagram integrations, scroll down, like it looks like we just have one trigger. We don't have actions. So it means we cannot update the profile or something like that. So by going here, you at least you get an idea of what you can or cannot do. And once you know what automations you want to do for PyLadies, I just let us know. I know a few of us can access the Zapier, like myself, Lorena, Elaine, I think. Whoever have access to the info PyLadies can go to Zapier, basically.
Cool. So I can basically share my script with you, and then you can just sort of
yeah. If there's like, you can save the workflow, and if there's a Python code, you can share the code with us.
Cool.
Alternatively, we have a way to share templates, but I don't know if that's available for a free account. So yeah, just let us know.
Okay, will do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, I'll stop sharing again. Okay.
Hey, that didn't even take 40 minutes.
Yeah.
That was brilliant.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
All right. Cool. If there's nothing else, then I guess we're done here. So thank you so much, Marie-Louise and Bethany, for joining.
And thank you so much, Marietta. It's been wonderful learning about how to automate. So we look forward to presenting you with some more some more projects that we've put together, and learning more about this whole process.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you. Bye.